guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are great. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to detangle your twist wig. So if you find this video entertaining, interesting, or if you learn something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So in my previous video someone said the wig look heavy, but these twist wigs are not heavy at all. So I'm going to first of all start by showing you how to detangle this, and it's the same color as this one stroke 33, but now this one is shoulder length and this one is waist length. So if you receive the wig and then you feel like it has tangled or it looks curly, especially if when you pack it, it might look curly when you receive it. So the first thing you're going to do when you receive it, you're going to use this brush or any type of brush that you have that looks like this. Just brush it on the hair like this to make it straight, especially if it looks curly. So when you just brush it like this once, it's going to be straight like that, as you can see. So don't detangle using your fingers. If you use your fingers, it might not be straight. It may not look as neat as you'd want it to be. Doing this might help, but it just might not make it like this straight. Guys, I really don't have a specific oil that I apply on my braided wigs. I would use Cantu, I would use olive, I would use this one. I use this because of the smell. It smells so nice. So I also apply this on my weave wigs. Also, most of you have been asking me which oil to apply. You can use this as well, or you can use even olive oil, the spray one or the solid one, whichever that you prefer. And spray your oil on the wig like this, like that, and then brush it. So it's just as simple as that when you want to detangle your twist wig. It's not complicated at all. So let me try this on so that you guys can see the length. This one is shoulder length and this one is waist length. So guys, just comment down below your favorite length and your favorite color. I know most of my clients say that it's not heavy at all, and this is how it looks. 1 stroke 33. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm really start thinking about it. Tonight I'd lie for you, baby. Honestly. that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video entertaining or if you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in any of my wigs or these ones, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll make them for you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.